Thanks for tuning in. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process for both the Chameleon Plus and BowMaster Plus tree stand blinds.
Hey guys, I'm Dan Cooper with Cooper Hunting. I appreciate y'all taking the time today to watch this video and watch me set up this Chameleon blind. This is our BowMaster model for shooting a compound bow, and today we're going to be putting it up on this two-man buddy stand and showing you how it works. We're going to unpackage the blind. You'll notice it comes in this carry bag. You've got the two straps that'll hold your tree mount to it. Okay, just take that off. Now, one of the nice features about the mount is it's got the rubber grommet on the rod receiver. You'll see how that goes here in a little bit, but that's going to keep the blind quiet. It's going to protect your rods, make them last a lot longer. You got your push pins here. Okay. Basically, that's how she works. So, all right, let's get busy. First time you set this up, it's going to take you a little longer than usual because we have to assemble the rods and the roof assembly. This is your lower strap. Okay, it's got two little, you'll know it's a lower strap because you got two little loops on it here. Okay, that'll be used to put the bottom rib in later. We've got all kind of goodies here. You'll find a set of instructions. We put words in for the ladies, and we got pictures for you guys. Okay, and then you'll also find your warranty card. Okay. So again, blind comes with a 3-year warranty. If it leaks or fades, we replace it. We got two sets of ratchet straps. And of course our blind. Now, that's the bottom. Grab the top of the blind with the roof fabric. We're just going to spread it out here on the ground, okay? Get it all spread out. You get two sets of rods. You're going to take one set and begin putting them together. What we do is come down here to the end. See how they want to come apart? We're going to fix that. So what we do, now that we've got them together, we're going to pull the excess cord, shock cord out. Okay, tighten that up a little bit. Tie a knot in it, a double knot. And we're just going to cut that. All right, now the rods won't come apart on us. We're going to start here at the end. When you get the fabric spread out like this, they go through pretty easy. Now we're at the end down there. We're all the way through. Okay. Now, while I'm at it, I'll go ahead and do the same thing to my bottom rib. Double knot, tie it, cut it. Okay, quick and easy. Here's the strap we had, bottom strap. We're going to take these two little loops. We are going to fish them through. There you go. That's to do that. Okay. We're going to form the hoop. This is the bottom hoop. Okay. And we'll show you what that does in a minute. Set that to the side. Now, get your top part of the receiver. Okay. We're going to run the rods right through here. Okay. Then you want to close this top rib up. This gives your blind the shape. It's a hexagon. We went to the hexagon rods instead of the round structure to give it some added strength and take some pressure off of the coupling. Now we're using a 10mm rod, very strong. Now you're going to tie this skirt off so that they can't come apart. I'm going to reach down on my roof fabric and find my top center strap for my roof. Okay, now notice, see how my blind's hanging down a little bit in the front? I can adjust that and bring it up to where I want it. That strap is adjustable, so if I'm sitting on a ridge and I need to look down, I can actually let this out and look down. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this level here. I'm going to close the roof up. Close off the back. Now I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready to climb my tree and put the receiver on the tree. So I'm putting this on to where when I hang the blind on it, I've got 2 inches of fabric hanging down below my stands. So when I pull my drawstring up, my drawstring is going to suck the blind in around the stand. All right, we've got that mounted. Get these out of the way, and now we're ready to pull our blind up. Now we've got our tree receiver mounted to the tree with our 2 6-foot ratchet straps. We do give you 6-foot ratchet straps with the S hooks on them, rubber coated, so you can go around a nice big tree. Then we're going to take our blind and tie it to our pull rope and take it up the stand and hang it. I'm going to show you just how easy this is. We're going to take our pull rope, we're going to set this over to the side. I'm going to hang it right here, as a matter of fact. It's a good place for it. Now I'm going to take my blind, get it hung. Pull your skirts around. Okay. Got to go down just a hair with it. Yeah, you have to make minor adjustments. You might have to lower it some to make sure you got enough fabric hanging below your stand, so when you pull your drawstring, it'll catch the perimeter of the tree stand. So get your draw cord ready to go. Okay, now this is where you got to get the rib, put the rib in here. All right, now get your rib in there like that. You can sit, now it's time you can sit down. You can turn around and start Velcroing this rib into the tabs on the inside. Now that I got that Velcroed, I'm going to put my strap around the tree on my center rib. That strap's going to hold the center rib tight, and if you look at that, the way that strap's designed, it's got those 2 little loops on it. One loop pulls one direction on the tree, and the other one pulls the rods the other direction on the tree, and that prevents your lateral motion. There you go. All right, so now what I do is I'll unzip my entry door here, and I'm actually going to stand down on my ladder, and I'm going to reach under here, and I'm going to pull my drawstring. I'm going to suck it in tight as we can get it. You're going to tie it off just like you do your shoes. So for this stand has got a high shooting rail, so I'll be opening up some windows to create some shooting lanes. Now what we do to tie the shooting lanes back is you go around twice on the outside and then pull vertical. That's going to open up your shooting lanes. You can do them in various locations around the blind. Just depends on how much concealment you're looking to get. You can open up as many or as few as you want, okay? This blind is 8 foot tall, so it's tall enough I can shoot a compound bow out of standing up. You can shoot a rifle, shotgun, or crossbow out of this blind. So it's very versatile. It's got pockets here on the inside for me to put my calls and whatnot. It's going to keep me dry. If it snows, it's going to dump the snow and pop back up. Very versatile, very versatile blind. Can be used in just about any hunting situation. So check them out at cooperhunting.com and get yours today. You've got your blind assembled and installed. One of the things I want to go over again and reiterate, the extra rib, the added rib, and the drawstring in the bottom are key components. If you're hunting in the north where we get a lot of wind, like here in Ohio, you're going to want to use the rib and you're going to want to use the drawstring. Get everything pulled in tight, get that fabric stretched tight. That's going to knock down all your wind flap. Use your zippered entry door to go in and out. You're going to love it. Appreciate you watching today. Thank you. See you.
Thanks again for watching. For more information or to purchase your blind, visit us online at cooperhunting.com.